Hi, my name is Mallorory, Mallory. Today we're going to be talking about animals on the farm, like horses and cows and pigs. Let's get started. So today we're going to be matching our big farm animals to our little farm animals. So here I have, let's see which one. Ooh, yeah, it's white and it's a sheep. Yeah, it's a sheep. So in sign language, we go, like we're cutting the wool, sheep. And here's our sheep. It's your turn to pick an animal next. Oh yeah, that is a cow. Cow. That's right. Let me help. Good cow. And our next one could be one that is pink. Good, a pig. It's a pig. Yeah, so you just put your hand under your chin and you wave it. Pig. Good job. And I am going to choose a horse. Horse. Yeah, you just put your hand up here just like cow, except you bend your two fingers. Horse. Then we have good, that is a chicken. Chicken. So all you do is you do the sign for bird, and then you, like the chicken's pecking. Good job, that's so right. Good job. And what's our last one? It's a farm animal too, but it kind of looks like a horse. They kind of look the same, but good, it's a goat. Yeah, so for goat, we put our hands right here like it's the hair on the goat's chin, and then we put these two fingers up here. So, goat. Yeah, good job. That's a goat. Okay, so now we're going to play our matching game. So we have I'm going to mix them all right here together. Okay. So if I have a little sheep, can you find the big sheep? Yeah, good. That's the big sheep that goes with the little sheep. Yay, great match. We'll put it over here. Okay, if I have the little pig, I want you to find the big pig. Yeah, you found it. That's the little pig and the big pig. Good. And our pig is pink. Yeah, you try that one. The pig is pink. So you just make the sign for P, like P, and then you pink. Good. So it's a pink pig. Yeah, good job. Oh, so if I have the big cow, I want you to find the little cow. That's right. That is the little cow that you found. Yeah. And the cow has some white in it. So we can say white cow. White cow. Good. And then, I have the big horse, and I want you to find on our farm of animals the small horse. Yeah, good. You found it. You found the small horse that goes with the big horse. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna lay all our animals back out. We're gonna talk about them dancing and walking on the farm. Okay, let's see. So this is in sign language how we do dance. Good, dance. And then we do walk like this. Like they're our feet, but we're doing it as our hands. They're walk, walk, walk. Yeah, good job. You're doing it so good. Okay, so our sheep, is it dancing or is it walking? Good. Okay, I'm going to show you and I want you to tell me if it's dancing or walking. Here we go. That's right. The sheep was dancing. Yeah. Good job. Oh, and look. Let's see what our cow is going to do. I want you to tell me if the cow is dancing or walking. Good, that's right. Yeah, the cow is walking. Good, and we have two more, okay? Let's see what I find next. Oh, look. It's a chicken. I bet you can remember the sign for chicken. Yeah, that's right. Chicken. Now you tell me if the chicken is dancing or walking. Good. Yes, the chicken was dancing. Good job. And here's our last animal that we get to talk about. Let's see if you can help me remember the sign for goat. I can't seem to remember. That's right. Goat. Right. Now let's see if the goat is dancing or walking. You tell me. Yes, the goat is walking. Yay! You did so good today. I'm so glad that you were able to come and see all my fun little farm animals. Have a good day.